Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to square root on calculator in your iPhone. So go to calculator and rotate your phone and you can see here the root option, square root. So I'm just going to type 144 and then I'm going to tap that root button. So yeah, 12 12 144. So this is how you can square root on your iPhone. So this is not right, but I'm going to type 122 and then square root. So yeah, it's so easy, right? I'm going to show you again 144 square root 12. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.